Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Remember, Oumuamua, that bizarre, cigar-shaped object that zipped through our solar system back in 2017. It was the first interstellar object we ever detected, and its strange behavior, accelerating away from the sun faster than gravity alone could explain, led some brilliant minds, like Harvard astronomer Avi Loeb, to ask a mind-bending question. Was it an alien probe? A piece of extraterrestrial technology? It was a wild idea that captured the world's imagination. Well, get ready, because we might have another interstellar visitor on our hands. And the question is already being asked, could this be another one? Today, we're diving deep into the story of a newly discovered object, tentatively named 3IATLAS. We'll explore what it is, where it came from, and whether it shares any of the strange characteristics that made Oumuamua so compelling. Could we be looking at another piece of the puzzle in our search for extraterrestrial intelligence? Or is there a more down-to-earth explanation? Let's get into it. First, let's talk about the discovery. In early 2024, the Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, or ATLAS for short, spotted a faint object moving through our solar system. This is the same survey that has found countless comets and asteroids, but this one was different. When astronomers crunched the numbers and calculated its trajectory, they realized it wasn't bound by the sun's gravity. Just like Oumuamua, it was on a path that originated from outside our solar system, from the vast emptiness of interstellar space. This makes 3IATLAS only the third interstellar object we've ever identified. After Oumuamua and the more conventional comet, 2I Borisov, the 3I in its name literally stands for third interstellar. So, what do we know about it so far? Unlike Oumuamua, which was detected as it was already leaving, we've caught 3IATLAS on its way in. This gives us a much better chance to study it up close as it approaches the sun. Initial observations suggest that it's behaving like a comet. It appears to have a coma, that fuzzy halo of gas and dust that forms when a comet's ice is heated by the sun. This is a key difference from Oumuamua. One of the biggest mysteries of Oumuamua was its non-gravitational acceleration asterisk without asterisk, a visible coma. Comets get a natural push from the outgassing of vaporized ice, like a tiny rocket engine. This is a well-understood phenomenon. But Oumuamua was accelerating without any visible outgassing, which is what led to the more exotic theories, like it being a super-thin solar sail pushed by sunlight. With 3IATLAS, we asterisk our asterisk, seeing that telltale cometary activity. The gas and dust boiling off its surface are almost certainly providing the push, explaining any non-gravitational acceleration we might observe. So, from that perspective, it seems to fit the profile of a natural object, a classic comet that just happens to be from another star system. Case closed, right? Well, not so fast. The story is never that simple in astronomy. The very existence of these interstellar visitors raises fascinating questions. For decades, we assumed they were out there, but we'd never seen one. Now, with improved survey technology like ATLAS and the upcoming Vera C. Rubin Observatory, we're starting to find them. This is a brand new window into the composition of other solar systems. Every interstellar object is a messenger, a sample of the building blocks from around another star. By studying 3IATLAS' composition, the types of ice and rocket S made of, we can learn about the chemistry of the protoplanetary disk where it was born, potentially light years away. So, How does this tie back to the alien probe theory? Professor Avi Loeb and his Galileo project are dedicated to the scientific search for extraterrestrial technological signatures. While they acknowledge that 3IATLAS currently appears to be a natural comet, they argue that we shouldn't dismiss any possibility out of hand. Their philosophy is to approach every interstellar object with an open mind and gather as much data as possible. Could an advanced civilization disguise a probe as a comet? It's a hypothetical scenario, of course, but the goal is to look for anomalies, anything that does unquite fit our understanding of natural phenomena. For 3IATLAS, that would mean looking for strange light curves, unusual chemical signatures in its coma, or perhaps even radio emissions. We have an unprecedented opportunity to observe it. Unlike Oumuamua, which was a faint speck by the time we found it, 3IATLAS will be monitored for months, maybe even years, by telescopes all over the world, and even in space, like the James Webb Space Telescope. Webb, with its incredible sensitivity, could analyze the gas in the comet's coma in exquisite detail, looking for molecular fingerprints that might tell us if it's from a system different from our own. Let's compare it to the other interstellar comet, 2I, Borisov. Borisov was, in many ways, unremarkable. It looked and behaved almost exactly like the comets from our own Oort cloud. It was a comforting discovery because it confirmed our models that other star systems probably form in similar ways to ours. Oumuamua was the wild outlier, the one that broke the mold. 3IATLAS seems, for now, to be landing somewhere in the middle. It's an interstellar object, which is exciting, but it's showing familiar cometary behavior, which is less mysterious. But this is exactly how science works. We find an anomaly, like Oumuamua, that challenges our assumptions. Then we find more examples, like Borisov, and now 3IATLAS, that help us build a more complete picture. Each new discovery provides a crucial data point. Maybe interstellar comets come in all shapes and sizes, and Oumuamua was just a particularly weird one. Or maybe we just haven't looked closely enough yet. The key is to keep looking. So, what's the verdict on 3IATLAS? Is it an alien probe? Based on the current evidence, the answer is almost certainly no. All signs point to it being a natural, icy body, ejected from its home star system long ago, now making a temporary visit to ours. It's a classic interstellar comet. But does that make it boring? Absolutely not. The chance to study a piece of another solar system up close is a dream for astronomers. It's a pristine sample of a distant world, delivered right to our cosmic doorstep. The legacy of Oumuamua isn't just that it might have been alien. It's that it forced us to take the possibility seriously and to build the tools and methods to properly investigate it. Projects like the Galileo project were born from that paradigm shift. So, as we watch 3IATLAS on its journey, we'll be doing so with new eyes and new questions. We'll be looking for the expected, but we'll also be ready for the unexpected. And that, right there, is the heart of discovery. Every observation is a chance to learn, and every interstellar object is a lottery ticket for a groundbreaking find. Whether 3IATLAS turns out to be a simple comet or holds a deeper secret, its discovery is a triumph for science and a reminder of the vast, interconnected universe we are a part of. The stars are closer than they appear, and sometimes they send us messengers. Our job is to be ready to listen to what they have to say. What do you think? Are you excited about 3IATLAS? Or are you holding out for another truly bizarre visitor like Oumuamua? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into interstellar space, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe. We'll see you in the next video.